Hey guys, welcome to How to Coffee today. How much coffee do you put in your Chemex, or how much coffee do you use to make a pour over coffee? I'm gonna make it very easy for you. You might have got a pour over maker for Christmas or a popular Chemex. This is the easy answer to that question. The true coffee ratio is 16 grams of water to 1 gram of coffee. Happy holidays, by the way. You know, here's the thing about a Chemex in particular. They say this is a 6-cup Chemex. Well, I don't know what country those cups are in, but in America, we typically use 16-ounce cups of coffee, or close to that is what people like to drink. And a Chemex, this is one full 16-ounce cup. It actually comes up to the bubble on a 6-cup Chemex. So a Chemex is really a way to make coffee for 2 people. If you make 32 ounces of coffee in here, it's just 2 16-ounce, kind of your regular latte, your regular coffee from the coffee shop. So that is how much coffee, the volume of this. You're really looking at making coffee very well, around 32 ounces of coffee, very well, very efficiently in a Chemex. So how much coffee do you need to make a full pot in a Chemex? So it really does help to have a coffee scale. This is a pretty cheap piece of equipment, so it really is useful if you make a lot of coffee at home and you want to get somewhat right on your ratios. Again, it's 1 gram of coffee to 16 grams of water. What does that actually mean? Well, in a 12-ounce cup of coffee, you're looking around 21 grams of ground coffee to extract that. Now, to do a full 32 ounces in a Chemex, well, a quick pro tip too, by the way, if you're grinding coffee for a Chemex, because these filters are a little better quality than maybe a traditional drip coffee maker you have at your house, grind it about 10 to 20% more coarse. So you want it actually coarser. Now, how much coffee to make a full 32 ounces or a full 6-cup, we'll say quotation marks, Chemex? Well, it's around 56 grams of coffee. So that's a pretty healthy, this is a 5-ounce cup, so it's a pretty healthy bit of coffee here. I'll pour it in here. And yeah, so that's a pretty full bit of coffee, but that's what will make a full 32 ounces. Put 32 ounces of water, 198 degrees in this, and you'll have your coffee. So hopefully that didn't confuse you. The ratio for a pour over is 1 gram of coffee per 16 grams of water. But very simple. If you're making it in a Chemex, which is the most common way to make a pour over, and you want a full 6-cup Chemex, which is really around 32 ounces, put around 56 grams of coffee. If you make that setting, then you can make coffee for you, your friend, and your wife whenever you need to. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Live inspired. We'll talk to you soon on another edition of How to Coffee. I hope you subscribe.